Hi, I'm Nagishri. My son Prajwal Sharath has completed his 10th standard and he's joined Gyanasvikar for his PU. And Abhishek is part of Prajwal's success. We met Abhishek 2 years ago when Prajwal was in 9th standard. At that time, Prajwal was not very keen on mathematics, and he used to hate maths basically. So I happened to meet Abhishek, and then he came over to give a demo class, wherein Prajwal was very happy on the first day itself. And then onwards, it was Prajwal and Abhishek, and they moved on. And gradually, what is the basic change what I observed in Prajwal, apart from the grades, is that he started liking maths. That was a very good thing which happened because of Abhishek actually. And Abhishek, because basically Prajwal's concepts in maths were not very clear, so that Abhishek helped Prajwal to make his basic concepts very clear, so that in 10th standard he did not have much of a problem. When he was writing his 10th board exam, Prajwal was very confident in mathematics, and he had worked a lot of papers wherein which Abhishek had guided him stepwise how to move about, like what are the mistakes, if you miss a step what is it, and if there is an alternative step how to approach that, and a very systematic. And moreover, Prajwal is a skater. And then one more thing what we liked about about Abhishek is that because Prajwal was in sports, he was very flexible, very accommodative with respect to the timings and all. And whenever Prajwal had to go for his sports, Abhishek helped us by taking extra classes whenever Prajwal was free, which was very helpful to manage both sports as well as his academics. That is very important, because usually many of the tutors, they want their that we need to go at the time they say, but here Abhishek is very flexible and he understands. And moreover, since he's very young, the best thing in him is he connects with the child, which is very important, especially when there is a connect with the child looks forward for the classes with Abhishek. So Abhishek is a very good example wherein which he connects with the children very well. And not only with respect to only, he doesn't just guides the kids only for the academics, like say 8, 9, 10, no, but he also keeps guides the kids with what they need to do, what they are interested, what exams they can take, going further, what would be. He gives them a lot of options and career discussions, which is very good, and which is a very positive quality in Abhishek. So all this, he's a great tutor. I wish him all the very best for his success, and I hope Prajwal will come out in flying colors, being associated with him for the next 2 years. And I hope Prajwal will be able to do very well in his 12th standard as well. Thank you.